In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tab text in Canva. If you've ever tried to line up text in Canva by pressing the spacebar over and over, you already know how messy that can get. The spacing looks uneven, lines shift around, and the moment you change the font or size, everything can fall apart. The good news is that Canva gives you much cleaner ways to indent text and control alignment. And once you know where the tools are, it becomes much easier to format paragraphs, lists, and column style text neatly. To get started, open Canva and load the project you want to work on. From your homepage, find the design, document, presentation, flyer, or other file you want to edit, and open it so you're inside the main workspace. This gives you access to the text tools you'll need for the rest of the process. Next, go to the specific text box you want to format and double-click inside it. That places your cursor directly into the text field and brings up the text editing controls. Make sure you're clicked into the exact line or paragraph you want to adjust before moving on, because Canva only applies these changes to the active text area. Now for the quickest way to create a tab style indent. Place your blinking cursor at the very beginning of the line or sentence you want to move. Then press the tab key on your keyboard once. Canva will shift that text to the right in a clean, consistent way. This is much better than adding manual spaces because the result is more uniform and easier to manage. If you need more control, especially for things like resumes, lists, or multi-column formatting, turn on Canva's rulers. Go to File, then View Settings, and choose Show Rulers and Guides. You can also use the Shift and R shortcut. Once enabled, a ruler will appear across the top of your workspace, giving you a visual measurement guide for more precise formatting. With the rulers visible and your text box selected, look at the top edge of the text area. You should see small indent controls on the ruler. One controls the left indent and another controls the first line indent. Click and drag the first line indent marker left or right to set exactly how far the first line should move. This is especially useful when you want a polished, professional layout. Before you finish, take a moment to review the alignment on your page. Canva's guides can help you check that everything looks balanced and consistent. When you're happy with the result, go to Share, then Download. Choose PNG for image designs or PDF standard for documents, and download your file. That's it. You now know how to tab text in Canva without relying on awkward spacing tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.